Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another plant video. Today we're going to be doing a haul, and clearly my low buy is totally out the window because I have 7 plants for you today, which is bonkers. And I also ordered like 5 plants in the mail the other day in one day because I'm insane. So we're going to have to do a restart. It makes for good content. Plant hauls are my favorite, but I really have to start saving money because plants can get expensive. Yeah, I'm pretty much just going to be showing you the plants that I bought this weekend. A lot of my plant nurseries that are near me were having Mother's Day sales, so I decided to go with my mom and we bought a lot of stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So this first plant is a Philodendron brandtianum. It's amazing. I love him. My whole reason for this whole shopping trip was to go and grab this guy because I follow Montrose Plants and Leaves and Latte on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagrams down below and probably put them on the screen. But I follow them on Instagram and they said that they had seen this at Buchanan's plants, and I was just like, oh my god, I really need to go to Buchanan's. But that was on Friday and I couldn't go until Sunday because I was actually in San Antonio this weekend, and I needed to have it. I needed it. I actually bought 2 of them, but this plant right here was $3. It was $3 and I love it. Again, it's a Philodendron brandtianum. I believe that's how you say it. If I'm not saying it wrong, go ahead and correct me down below. I'm totally fine with that. But yeah, this was the whole reason for this entire haul because I just like I couldn't not have it. Like, knowing that it was in my city and I could go buy it, I wanted it so bad. So I went and I got it. So yeah, this is it. I love its shiny leaves. It is absolutely beautiful. The next plant is my new Burgundy Ficus Elastica, which needs a little bit of a leaf polish, but I've been wanting one of these for a while now, and I always thought that I couldn't care for it because they needed like brighter light. But I saw this one and I convinced my mom to get it because my mom really wanted like this really huge one that we saw at Buchanan's when we went to go buy this one. This one we got at Another Place in Time, which is just down the street from Buchanan's, and it was $5 and I was like, okay, you could either buy the one that's $50 from Buchanan's that's huge, or you can buy this one that's 1/10 of the price so you can make sure that a Burgundy Elastica will survive there. So she ended up buying it on my bad influence. This guy was $5 and it was at Another Place in Time. So yeah. So this is a Philodendron Brazil. We actually have had one of these before in the past, and we got that one from Home Depot, but it was $20, and when we brought it home, it just didn't feel like it was enough plant for $20, so we ended up returning it just because I felt like we could probably find better ones somewhere else, and we did. This was $6 at Buchanan's, and it's really pretty. They actually have those, like, I think that they're called silver streak philodendrons that are really similar to the Brazil, but they have like white silvery kind of variegation in the middle. They had those, and oh my god, you have no idea how much I wanted to grab one of those, but that was also $20, and I couldn't justify spending another $20 because I had I had limited myself to $40 that day. So I was just like, no, I can't do it. But if that plant is still there like a week or 2 from now, I might buy it. So yeah, this is the little one that we got. We got it for downstairs because these tend to be like slightly lower light plants, and we don't get enough light downstairs. So that's pretty much what we bought this one for. And the other plant that we got at Another Place in Time is another ficus, but this is a Ficus Altissima, I believe. If it's not, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. It didn't have any labels on it, so I didn't know exactly what it was. All I knew is that I really liked it, and it was right next to the ficus, and I've seen this sort of ficus on Etsy before, so I thought that it was the same one. But again, if I'm wrong, go ahead and let me know that I'm wrong down below. But it looked really pretty. I really liked that sort of green variegation that's on it. Like, it's green, it's a lime green on the outside and then a dark green on the inside, and I just thought that was beautiful. And it's so tiny, and it just spoke to me. And it was $6, so it was actually $1 more expensive than that like much larger burgundy tree that I have. But I don't know, it spoke to me and I really wanted it, so I bought it. The same day that I bought my philodendrons at Buchanan's, I also bought my peace lily. And okay, peace lilies freak me out just because I feel like from what I've heard, they like being very moist, and I just, whenever plants like being very moist, I'm so scared that I'm gonna kill them with root rot. Like, I am terrified that I will do that. So this plant was $17, which is, I feel, kind of a lot, but it's just so pretty. I really like it. I think it's called a Domino peace lily because they have like this sort of white spotting variegation that's on it. And it's just, I just couldn't put it down. And I feel like it's gonna look really good in that spot that I have it right now because it is a lower light spot. And these tend to do okay in low light, so I don't know. I got it and I don't regret getting it. It also has this like really funky leaf. It's like split in two, which I thought was like kind of funny, so I got it. And the plant that's next to that one is actually a Caladium. So here in Houston and in Texas, Caladiums are used as bedding plants, and they're everywhere, it seems. But on occasion, I will find some Caladiums that I've never seen before, and this one was one of them. It just looked so cool to me. That like pink in the inside is like a translucent pink. It's really cool, and I saw it. It was at Walmart, and I thought, Walmart's gonna kill you, so let me buy you. So I did. But I don't know, I just really liked it. I also am kind of on the lookout for a white queen, but for now I'm happy with this one, and I thought that it just looked really, really cool, so I got it. And I think that the last plant that I'm going to show you guys today is that huge plant that is taking up the majority of the frame. It is my Begonia. This is actually not mine. I actually bought it for my mom, but it was just so pretty that I figured I would show you guys. It's also flowering right now, as you guys can tell. Can you guys see how enormous this thing is? It's beautiful. It's absolutely amazing. The tag says that it's a Flamingo Queen. I honestly don't know too much about begonias, but my mom really liked this one. She really liked that the backs of the leaves were this like really cool red color. There was another one that was next to it that had the same sort of like speckling and the same like colored flowers, but that one was not red on the back, so she ended up choosing this one. It does have some burnt leaves on it, but hopefully with new growth it will look better. But there's a new leaf that's right there next to all the flowers. It's amazing. This is gonna go outside. Begonias are kind of like outside plants for us. I don't really know why, but my mom doesn't like having begonias inside. These pretty much go on our porch. We have 3 downstairs, so we're kind of filling our porch with begonias at the moment. So let me know what kind of begonias you think are cool, because I'm getting into them, but again, more for outside than for inside. But yeah, this beauty is enormous, and I really like it. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys liked it, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me, go ahead and subscribe to me if you want to. And yeah, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!